What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And some of you guys ask, why did you change it from top 3 to top 5? It's quite simple, because we have more and more international releases on both stores so that everybody can have access to all of these hats. And so I thought, yeah, let's make it like from 2 top 3s to 1 top 5. And I got a lot of positive feedback from you guys. And I also want to thank you for your crazy support on both stores. This means a lot to me, and I will guarantee you that we will continue and improve week by week. So I would also appreciate if you tune in on Monday on our live stream, because we are having a lot of fun lately. And yeah, you will also have access to these crazy drops that we are doing at Topperzstore Modhaven, where you can get an invoice through the stream. But without further ado, let's go into this. And I would like to start with my 5th place this week. And oh my god, this was a crazy drop. The Montgomery Gray Sox, and this is a beautiful hat. This is the first time that we can use that logo. They have it now for a theme night, and it's a beautiful logo. Chrome, two-tone, black and chrome, and the Southern League side patch on the side is also amazing. We got the new minor league Batman, this time in a flat version, and of course, make it a little bit more throwback, Kelly Green with the black guts. This is my 5th place this week from Topperzstore, and this was also an international release on Monday. Then, you know, with the new branding, with this new logo that the Cubs had, there were more logos coming into the system, and I needed to use this one. And again, in this Chicago colors, it looks absolutely amazing. Look at this front logo. Isn't that great? Oh my god. This metallic blue-gray together with this blue is absolutely gorgeous. And then you got the bear with the electric guitar on the side, also in metallic, beautiful hat. And then we got a regular flat MLB Batman on the back. Gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Cubs, beautiful hat. This is my 4th place this week in my top 5. And now I can already spoil you. The rest are NHL hats, and I'm pretty sure you will like them, because we tried some new things and I was so excited when they came in. I was so excited. So I want to see them immediately because they came out so great. First one, and this is my 3rd place, Winter Classic 2020 Nashville Predators, and this logo is very, very special. And also this side patch is a beauty. Look at this. This goes so well together. It's a crazy jersey hook with this metallic gold details. It looks really good. And then you have this team colors with this rich golden yellow and this oceanside blue. It goes so well together. And then you got also here metallics on the back with the NHL shield. And you got a gray UV and black guts. The Nashville Predators Winter Classic 2020, absolute beautiful hat. And this is my 3rd place this week. So we are coming close to the 1st place. And my 2nd place this week is also a hockey hat. And oh my god, it looks so good. Also flat embroidery, gray UV. And then you got this Buffalo Sabres logo. And look how shiny these swords are with gold, metallic pewter, metallic silver. Then you got this beautiful 20th anniversary side patch. It goes so well together with the black, and then this camo. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I like how this came out. NHL shield on the back, also with this alpine green and gold combo. Gray UV, black guts. My 2nd place this week. And da-da-da. Now we're coming to the 1st place this week from my top 5 fitted hats of the week. And it is a duck set. And we tried to make something different again. And you know, we like to make those experiments. And you can say, I mean, it came out really good, right? And wear your glasses now because this thing is super shiny, right? So I told you before, it's beautiful in maroon, in this wonderful maroon color, gray UV, black guts, and then another crazy golden duck with the 25th anniversary side patch, and this is just like crazy. It is crazy, absolutely crazy how this came out. And then we had to make a duck on the back, but this makes it even better. It's absolutely different. 25th anniversary and this flat embroidery, gray UV, black guts. And I'm pretty sure, let me know in the comments below, you agree that this is my number one for this week. Let me know in the comments below, what were your favorite hats of the week? Do you agree with my selection, or did you pick any other hats? Let me also know which hats or which teams you would like to see next at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And I would also appreciate if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. It will help us a lot. We put a lot of work into this, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So that's it for this week, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow again. Cap Talk episode 194. It's going to be crazy, that's for sure. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'm out. Bye.